G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve. About 7 months ago, we gave this magnolia here a really hard prune. And at the time, some people can be a little bit critical about the harshness of the prune, but I thought that now was an opportune time to actually bring you back to the plant and you can see the actual outcome of that pruning. So you can see here, this is where the pruning about 7 months ago occurred, and you can see where the new growth has actually taken off from just below the pruned position. And the amount of growth that has occurred in this 7 months has been absolutely phenomenal. But now what I need to do is to bring it back a little bit, because again, it's covering up the windows. But this time I'm going to be able to provide a little bit of shape to the plant, something that was a bit more difficult last time given the severity of the pruning that we had to do. So this level here is roughly the height that I would like this plant to be, but that's at the apex of the plant. So I'm going to start in the center and remove the center growth back down to what the maximum height will be. Once I've got that center growth removed, what I will then do is I'll focus on providing the type of shape to the plant that will provide it with healthy growth over the months to come. So now I'll start removing some of those lateral growths just to provide that shape and form to the tree that I would like to see. The type of shape and form that I think is probably more traditional with a magnolia pruning, but ultimately something that's going to provide the type of shape, the type of look to the plant that we would actually like. So you can see now that we've trimmed out that tall growth and some of the lateral growth of this magnolia, that we've now achieved a shape that, for me at least, fits in more with this particular space. And we're going to have to come back over the coming months and give it a little trim up from time to time also. Now that will have an impact on the flowering, I guess, of this particular one, but from my perspective, that's okay, because in this location here, for us, it's more about the foliage than it is the flower. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Can I ask you please to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and go to our website, iCULTIVATE.net, and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.